right, I'm going to show you guys today how to order using your ER points. So I'm logging into Young Living and I'm already logged in. So you're going to go into your virtual office, and if you want to see how many points you have, you can go to your ER rewards and go to reward points. And you can see here that I have 531 points saved up. Currently receiving 25% of everything I order. And none of them expire till next year. And I've been on ER for 36 months. So you can click right here to shop to redeem points now. And it's going to bring you to a quick order. Because when you are going to use your points, you're going to do it through a quick order. So I already have a Valor soap in here, and I want to add a few more things here. So I am going to go in here to quick order. Now you can type in what you want at the top just like you do for ER orders, or you can go through and check out what's new. You can check out the new products that are currently available. I know I want to get some lemon soap, the lemon sandalwood soap. My internet is going really slowly today. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to add that in there. So you're going to want to be sure that your when you go to use your points, the only things you won't be able to use points on are things that don't have the same PV as dollars. So for example, here I want to get the bath and shower gel evening piece. And you'll see that this product has 28 PV and it's $28. So that should be eligible. The only time that they may not be is when they're new for the first couple months. So for the first couple months, you can't get new products using your points. So I also need some sacred frankincense. This is one I save up my points for all the time because I absolutely love it, but it is expensive. So now I've got my products I want to order. I'm going to click on the cart at the top that says 4 because I have 4 items. Just review. Yes, I'm getting my lemon sandalwood, my Valor soap, my bath and shower gel, and sacred frankincense. So my total is $140.50 and same PV, personal volume. I'm all set, so I'm going to go to checkout, but you could continue shopping. So you're going to pick your delivery method of either FedEx or ground. I'm just doing the 5 to 10 days and get to see that again. Next step. So now here's where you're going to choose your checkout payment. So see how you could click here if I had credits. I actually have a 4-cent credit, but I'm going to choose to use my Essential Rewards points. So you can see that all 4 of these are eligible. So I'm going to click on each item that I want to use points on. There we go. So now the only thing I have to pay for is my shipping. So I've got that in there. Let's see, the taxes and the tax 39 cents. So my total is going to be $7.38. I usually round up to donate for the Young Living Foundation, but obviously it's not a requirement. Next step. So now we're just going to review the order, make sure everything looks right, shipping, what the things that I ordered, all set. So the total I'm going to be billed for is $7.50. Place my order. And they get all those items for free. All right, so that's how to put your order in to use your ER points. You're just going to do it through the quick order, and that's how you can check. So there we go. I got my